take it to the vet, and he takes its temperature much against its will. Okay, they don't do the behind the ear thing or under the tongue thing. 101 Fahrenheit. Okay, but I'm from another country, and I don't understand Fahrenheit. You know, it says the cat's temperature is 101 Fahrenheit, but I'm more comfortable with Celsius, and so I want to translate that so that I'm more comfortable with the temperature. So my cat has this temperature of 101 Fahrenheit. Okay, now, you look at this and you see the F and you see the C and you think, aha, those are my big clues. Okay, so this is the equation I need. But this time, I know that. So I write my equation down and I put what I know in it. Okay, so we got this 101. Now, again, I'm going to take it slowly through this. Let's subtract 32 from both sides. I want C to stand alone. So I'm going to have 101 minus 32 is equal to 1.8 times degrees Celsius. Now, I want the C to stand alone. I do not mind my unknown being on the right-hand side. Sometimes students have trouble with that, and they're so conditioned in algebra to see the X over on the left. Okay, so if you think this might be problematic to you, there's no law. You can't take this and turn the whole thing around if you're more comfortable with the C, the unknown, on the left. But I'm going to live with it here. I want C to stand alone. It's already up on the top, so that's not an issue. But I want it to stand alone, so that means I'm going to divide both sides through by 1.8. Now I have 101 minus 32 divided by 1.8 is equal to degrees Celsius. And yeah, unit analysis would be tricky here, just because if I kept this F hanging around, then it's going to get me in trouble on a unit analysis. So here, we're just going from here to here. Don't try to do a unit analysis. Now, is everybody comfortable with this? You want to subtract this, get an answer, divide it by 1.8. Let this dictate your SIGs. And when you see this 101, Charles, how many SIGs?
3.
3. Because remember the rule about the zeros in between? So, let's subtract, let's divide. Charles, what did you get?
The answer?
Yeah.
38.
I'd like 3 6. Because that had 3, I'd like 2. Because we're going to let that dictate.
Okay.
So what, 38.0?
0.
3? Okay, degrees Celsius. Okay? That, by the way, is considered normal body temperature for a cat. That, yeah, humans are at 98.6 Fahrenheit, cats are at 101 Fahrenheit. That their temperature is higher than ours. Okay, I think it's interesting. If it's a really cold night, my cats pile into the bed and want to sleep on me, okay, to stay warm. Cats have not studied thermodynamics because heat flows from the hotter body to the cooler body. Okay, they're actually warming me up, not me warming them up. Maybe it's love, but if they're wanting to get warm, that it's going to flow the other way. So cats, humans are 37, normal, Celsius. Cats are a little bit higher, and I think dogs are higher too. Okay, so everybody can do that? Now, what's the worst case scenario for temperature stuff? How bad can it get? Yeah, Brittany?
Fahrenheit to Kelvin.
Precisely, Fahrenheit to Kelvin, or Kelvin to Fahrenheit. We don't have another equation. That's okay. I would memorize another one. But if you have Fahrenheit, you can get to Celsius, and you get to Celsius, you can get to Kelvin. Okay, so let's say I'd like to whip this into Kelvin. So what would we do? Well, we have this equation right here, I want Kelvin. Well, put 38.3 plus 273, and now, here, Tran, you got a real good point about decimals, we're just plain adding. Okay, if you gave me just, well, go ahead, give me 3. Let's just add those 2 and give me 3. Okay, Emily, you got it for me? 311, and that gives us our 36. And that's not quite following the rules. Well, yeah, it is, because we don't have a decimal place here. See, 1 decimal, no decimals, that other rule, but we're not going to see that other rule that much, so I wouldn't get all hung up about it. Just, if this has 3, just give me 3, and I will be happy. Okay, just, if you want to keep the rule that's just for multiplication and division, that's fine with me. Okay? Now, are we all right on temperature stuff?